it gives me that type of scent in here. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's just mine, but this is really good. So if you like that really sweet honey, a wine type of scent, you would love this. You would really enjoy this. Hello, ladies, and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the Frag View, coming to you with another video and review. And today we are going to get into another pick 5.
Give me 1, 2, 3, 4, but if you love me more, give me 5. Give me 5.
And I'm calling this one Honey Sugar Iced Tea. If you're interested in hearing what does that mean, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you are new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but it's okay. Just subscribe, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. We are going to get right into it because I have another pick 5 combination, okay? I hope you all have been enjoying this series of my pick 5. And hey, if you're new to this channel, check out some of my Friday videos that I've posted in my Rolodex, as I call it. Check out those videos because I had a couple of layering combinations where we layer 5 different products together and create a nice concoction, okay? So check out those, but today, this one I'm calling Honey Sugar Iced Tea. Now, I'm calling it Honey Sugar Iced Tea because this is sweet on top of the sweet. This is a sweet tooth, okay? And you know, a good old sugar iced tea. Oh, a sweet tea? Who don't like a sweet? Well, some people don't like a sweet tea. Some people do like unsweetened tea with lemon and all that other stuff. And I know I just went somewhere else. But it's okay. I mean, some people like tea with lemonade. Like some people do tea all different types of ways. But we're going to call this one Honey Sugar Iced Tea because this Honey Sugar Iced Tea, this thing is so sweet. So my family members that don't care for a sweet fragrance or a sweet combination, this might not be, for you, but it's okay. You just stay because this might be a gift for someone. You can always utilize this. If it's not for you, it could be for someone else. So first off, we all start with the foundation of a good old bath, a good old shower, okay? Put a little water on it. But we're going to start off with a nice little bath wash, shower gel. And we're going to talk about Native. You all know I love Native. And if you haven't caught my review on Native, I reviewed the collection, the newest collection, the Candy Shop. Check that out. Anyway, this was a part, I want to say it was like their fall collection, but this was the spice eggnog. And if you all have caught a review about Native before, I called this one a butterscotch, okay? And it was okay, right? It wasn't like the thing that I was like, oh, let me get it and reach for it. But I did enjoy it with this combination, okay? Again, you have to like a butterscotch caramel type of scent, okay? It's not as good as my macadamian Ulta that my sis Wendy hooked or put a sis on, okay? It's not as caramel as that, which I probably could have did it in this combination. So side note, a little side tea. If you have macadamia, if you have that body wash, the macadamia one, I hope I'm saying, you all know I'm be making up stuff. Macadamian body butter, or not body butter, excuse me, the body wash from Ulta in their collection. If you have that, this probably can go well with this combination. Okay, but back on to native, because we talking about native right now. The spiked eggnog, okay? Again, butterscotch goodness, okay? This is really good. Very prominent in the shower. Very much enjoy the lather of this. I always enjoy the native lather. You know, whether it's a prominent smell or not, or a dominant, or however we want to say it, whether it's loud or not. But this was really good. So I started off with this beauty right here. Moving on. Next up, I went to a Tree Hut scrub, okay? And this is brown sugar. Do you all have this? Okay. I had to get this back in my little one too, because I feel like, I don't even know if this was last year, or the year before. But I had to hit this up on my one too. Honey, I hope you all have this. This is absolutely heaven sent. It is like a brown sugar cookie. This is so gourmand, so good, so sweet, so sugar, so everything. This is amazing. This is amazing. And Tree Hut scrubs, I am a fan. I don't know if you all are a fan, but it's really good. I enjoy a Tree Hut scrub. I really do. And, so delicious. Like, it almost smells like a bakery. Like somebody is baking a brown sugar cookie, okay? Amazing with this butterscotch goodness combination, everything. You all get, if you all don't have it, get your hands on it if you can. If you have it in your collection, try these pairings together. It's amazing. Trust me. Next up, I moved over to a good old, a little body butter. Okay, we got do a little glistening. So I went to the lab and I got me, you all know I got body butters up to the roof. Like I have a body butter video out there in the Rolodex somewhere. If you all are interested, I have tons of body butter. Anyway, rolled over to pink, okay, from Victoria's Secret. And this is the honey butter. Honey Shea butter, okay? The body butter. You all have this, okay? Now, this is not going to be, let's talk. This is your cutesy body butter. This is not going to be like, oh, it's moisturizing my entire body and I'm getting my life. No, it's not going to be that. It's a very much a cute body butter, okay? Okay. If you all are familiar with body butters and the moisturizing your body and all that, and it's not that. It's the cute one, okay? It's one of them cute products. Anyway, very good whipped. It is a whipped consistency, okay? So if you like that, you would love this. To me, in this, I don't know what it is. And I don't know if you have this and you smell the same thing, but this absolutely gives me like a red wine type of scent. With the honey, it gives me, oh my goodness, it gives me like Welch's grape juice, which, that's a hint to what my perfume that I put with this is, but it gives me that type of scent in here. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's just mine, but this is really good. So if you like that really sweet honey, a wine type of scent, you would love this. You would really enjoy this. This combination, amazing. Moving on. Next up, I had to go to Sol de Janeiro, honey, 71. Do you all have this? I had to go to this body spray. I know I've been giving you like a lot of Bath and Body Works and Victoria's, all that. I had to go over and hit my girl up, okay, for this honey sugar iced tea, okay, because this gives me the caramel, okay, for the sweetness, okay. It just puts it all together. But this is the caramelized vanilla and macadamia, okay. Now, this has top notes, caramelized vanilla, sea salt, toasted macadamia nut, white chocolate, and the base notes, which they have dry on here, is tonka bean, coconut blossom. Honey, this is amazing. Do you all have this? I got mine from Sephora, so if you're interested in getting it, get your life, get it. Okay, get it. It is so caramelized and good. And honestly, again, the body wash from Ulta that my sis put me on, the macadamia body wash. And I might again be saying the name wrong because it's not in front of me. But that one is caramel, and that would also go great with this one. This is amazing. Look at this. Yeah, and y'all know I don't put no dents in nothing. Look at this. I love it. Very good. Very, very good. So this is 71. Get this. Moving on. And last, and certainly not least, and number 5, who came in with the 1-2 punch? You was wondering? None other than yours truly, Giorgio Armani Intense. Yes! Okay? The communion juice. The communion juice. This is communion juice 2.0. Okay? This is the Concord grape, as I call it. This is so good. Let's go over some of the notes. So we have black currant syrup, Turkish rose, Davana, benzoin, and patchouli. This is a sweet bomb. If you do not like a sweet fragrance, you're not going to like this. But to me, I absolutely love this fragrance. This could be a part of my top 10 for life. Like, I really and truly do enjoy this fragrance. And maybe it's because I like a cookie cutter cake pies type of scent. But this is so sweet and so good. And it just melts into my skin. This combination I smelled all day. And it was amazing, if I do say so myself. Because I had to say so myself, because nobody else smelled me. I was working from home. But it's okay. But it was so good. Okay, this is a bomb pick 5. And if you like a honey, sugar, iced tea type of like combination, just a sweet tooth, okay, this is going to be your best friend. This entire pick 5 is going to be your best friend, okay? Intense Giorgio Armani. Get it. Get it, family. Highly recommend. Moving on. Well, that's all, family. That is all for my pick 5. Hey, I hope you all have enjoyed this series so far, and hopefully you all have seen something maybe that you want to try or a product that you want to check out. But let me know. Give me a chat in the little comment section. Give me the thumbs up, and please subscribe. I would love for you to join this family. And until next time, family, you all be good to yourself, okay? Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yo sis just did. All right, family. I love you. Bye, family.